Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of men's socks, specifically the APTYID Men's Moisture-Wicking Cushion Crew Work Boot Socks. If you're on the hunt for the best sweat-wicking socks for men, you've come to the right place.
First off, let's talk about what sets these socks apart.
Made with a blend of 76% polyester, 15% spandex, and 9% nylon, these socks are engineered to keep your feet dry and comfortable, even during the toughest workdays or outdoor adventures.
The moisture-wicking fabric is a game-changer, absorbing sweat to help keep your feet dry and odor-resistant. No more soggy socks or unpleasant odors at the end of a long day.
But it's not just about moisture wicking.
These socks are built to last.
The reinforced toe and heel provide extra durability, ensuring that they can stand up to whatever you throw at them, whether it's long hours on the job site or intense outdoor activities.
And let's talk about comfort. The padded sole offers just the right amount of cushioning to keep your feet comfortable all day long. Say goodbye to foot pain and hello to happy feet.
But perhaps the best feature of these socks is the targeted compression in the calf area.
Not only does it provide support, but it also helps improve blood flow and reduce swelling,
making them perfect for those long days when you're on your feet. And the best part?
They're easy to care for. Just toss them in the washing machine, and they'll come out looking and feeling as good as new. So there you have it, folks.
The APTYID Men's Moisture-Wicking Cushion Crew Work Boot Socks are truly the best sweat-wicking socks for men on the market. Comfortable, durable, and designed to keep your feet dry and happy all day long.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more product critiques.